Greetings, seekers of transformation. Prepare for an extraordinary journey into the mysteries of the 2024 affirmation. What makes this video exceptional? To truly grasp its essence, I invite you to close your eyes, find comfort, and wear headphones. Press play, absorb the affirmations, and let the magic unfold. Surrender to the moment and let the extraordinary power within you come alive. Ready to unlock the secrets? Press play, close your eyes, and let the transformation begin. In the quiet recesses of our minds, there lies a profound power waiting to be awakened. As we embark on this journey together, let us delve into the realms of the law of attraction, a force that transcends the ordinary, weaving the fabric of our destinies with the threads of our thoughts. In the tapestry of 2024, we find ourselves standing at the crossroads of possibility, our hearts pulsating with the potential to shape our reality. Let us acknowledge the profound truth that our thoughts are the architects of our existence, the silent conductors of the symphony of our lives. In this shared quest for a richer, more meaningful existence, we embrace the notion that self-control and fortitude are our steadfast companions. Picture with me a tranquil lake, its surface reflecting the serenity born of inner strength. As we navigate the waters of our own emotions, let us repeat the mantra, "I am the captain of my soul, the master of my fate." Continue to imagine as we traverse through the landscape of our minds, an imaginary place where every gaze is met with the glittering allure of wealth. Picture a realm where prosperity dances in the air and success is an ever-present companion. Here, in the theater of our imagination, we manifest the affirmation, "Abundance flows to me effortlessly. Success is my faithful companion." In the pursuit of our desires, we encounter the shadows of doubt and fear. These destructive emotions, like storms on the horizon, threaten to obscure the brilliance of our dreams. Yet, as we stand resilient in the face of adversity, let us intone the sacred words, "I release fear, I embrace courage. I am a beacon of positivity." As we journey deeper into the recesses of our minds, let the landscape transform into a realm where joy radiates from every corner. And happiness is the currency of our existence. Imagine yourself basking in the warmth of accomplishment, your heart echoing the mantra, "Happiness is my birthright, and I claim it with gratitude." In the midst of this manifestation journey, let us pause to recognize the profound wisdom echoed by law of attraction researchers. Their findings illuminate the power within us to shape our reality through intentional thought. With this shared knowledge, we unite in our quest to transcend the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary. Now envision a lush garden within your mind, where the seeds of your desires are planted. Each thought, a seed, each emotion, the nourishing rain. As we cultivate the garden of our aspirations, let us repeat, "I am a magnet for all that I desire, attracting abundance effortlessly." With each repetition of these mantras, feel the resonance deep within. This is the rhythm of creation, the melody of our intentions echoing in the universe. As we stand on the precipice of 2024, let our collective voice be a force that shapes our destinies. For we are not mere observers, but active participants in the dance of creation. In the tapestry of our shared existence, let us continue to weave the threads of intention, for in the realm of the law of attraction, we are co-creators of our reality. As we step boldly into the unknown of the new year, let the echoes of our mantras reverberate, guiding us toward the manifestation of our deepest desires. In this journey, we are bound not only by shared aspirations, but by the power that resides within each one of us. Together, let us transcend the limits of the ordinary and usher in a year where our dreams take flight. fueled by the transformative magic of the law of attraction. In the sanctuary of our collective consciousness, let us navigate the corridors of possibility, guided by the lighthouse of our intentions. The echoes of our mantras linger in the air, shaping the energetic landscape that surrounds us. As we continue this voyage, envision a tapestry where success, like golden threads, weaves through the fabric of our lives. In the stillness of our minds, let us draw attention to the power of gratitude. Picture a quiet moment where the sun dips below the horizon, casting hues of warm oranges and purples across the sky. With each breath, inhale the essence of gratitude, and with a heart full of appreciation, repeat the mantra. Gratitude is the key to abundance, and I unlock its door with every thankful heartbeat. As we progress through the corridors of manifestation, let us acknowledge the whispers of doubt that may arise. In these moments, visualize a shield of resilience enveloping you, repelling negativity like raindrops on a sturdy umbrella. Together, let us declare, I am unshakable and doubt has no place in the fortress of my mind. Imagine now, as we delve into the treasury of our thoughts, a vault filled with unwavering self-belief. Picture yourself unlocking this vault, allowing the brilliance of your own potential to flood your consciousness. With conviction, repeat the mantra. I believe in my abilities, and my potential is limitless. In the garden of our aspirations, let the flowers of positivity bloom. Picture vibrant blossoms representing love, joy, and prosperity. Inhale their fragrance and repeat the mantra. I am a magnet for love, joy, and prosperity. These flowers of abundance blossom in the garden of my life. As we stand at the intersection of the present and the future, let us embrace the transformational power of forgiveness. Envision a river flowing through your consciousness, carrying away the debris of past grievances. With each ripple, forgiveness becomes a current that propels you forward. Repeat the mantra, I release the past, and forgiveness sets me free. Now, let us turn our attention to the mirror of self-reflection. Gaze into its depths and witness the reflection of a resilient, empowered individual. As you stand face to face with your reflection, repeat the mantra, I am the architect of my destiny, sculpting a life of purpose and fulfillment. In the final moments of this manifestation journey, imagine a bridge connecting your present to the future. This bridge is made of the intentions and actions you take today. With each step, feel the bridge solidify beneath your feet. Repeat the mantra. I step confidently into my future, knowing that my intentions create the path before me. As we conclude this profound journey, let the echoes of our collective mantras resonate in the silence of our minds. We are the architects, the dream weavers, and the co-creators of our destinies. The canvas of 2024 awaits, and with the brushstrokes of our intentions, we paint a masterpiece of abundance, joy, and fulfillment. May the law of attraction guide us as we step boldly into the unfolding chapters of our lives. Together, let us manifest a year where the whispers of our dreams become the symphony of our reality. The journey is ours to embrace, and the power to shape our destinies lies within the sanctuary of our shared intentions. In the canvas of 2024, let us embark on a journey guided by the profound magic of the law of attraction. As dream weavers and co-creators of our destinies, let every intention be a brushstroke shaping a masterpiece. Picture with me a world where every moment is a step toward your dreams. Repeat the mantra, I am the artist, the dream weaver, creating my reality with intention. Together, we are a force, a collective energy propelling us toward fulfillment. In the garden of your thoughts, cultivate gratitude and resilience. Visualize success weaving through the tapestry of your life. Inhale positivity, exhale doubt. Repeat, I am unshakable. Doubts dissipate like mist. As you step into 2024, let the echoes of shared mantras guide you. Manifest purposefully, embrace your limitless potential, and dance with the symphony of existence. Repeat, I am a creator, a manifester, every thread woven with intention. May this year be your masterpiece, a testament to the incredible power within. Carry the spirit of manifestation always. Here's to a year of growth, opportunities, and the fulfillment of your deepest desires. Until next time, may your journey be filled with prosperity, joy, and the sweet melody of success. Subscribe, like, and let the magic unfold.